In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect or purchase a new domain through your Wix account. Whether you're just starting your website journey or looking to enhance your online presence, this process will help ensure your website is up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wix dashboard. If you're not already signed in, simply log in using your account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side of the screen. These tools are there to help you manage different aspects of your website, from editing your site to checking analytics. Right now, what we're interested in is the domains section. Go ahead and click on domains to move on to the next step. Now that you're in the domain section, you'll have two main options. If you already own a domain that you purchased elsewhere, you can choose to connect this existing domain to your Wix site. Alternatively, if you don't have a domain yet, you can purchase a new one directly through Wix. Let's explore what each option entails so you can decide what's best for you. When connecting an existing domain, you'll need to update the DNS settings with your current domain host. This is a crucial step as it tells the internet to direct visitors to your website hosted on Wix. You'll find complete DNS instructions provided by Wix, which precisely guide you on how to adjust these settings. It's important to carefully follow these instructions to avoid any connectivity issues. If you're unsure about how to do this, consider reaching out to your domain host's support team for extra help. If you're leaning towards purchasing a new domain directly from Wix, the process is simple and straightforward. Wix offers a variety of domain options to choose from, so you can find a name that perfectly represents your brand or personal project. Once you've found the right domain name, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Wix will automatically handle the DNS settings for you, which means you won't need to manage them separately. This can be a convenient option if you prefer a more hands-off approach. After connecting or purchasing your domain, it's always a good idea to give yourself a little buffer time for changes to propagate across the internet. Generally, DNS settings can take up to 48 hours to update fully, so don't worry if your site doesn't connect instantly. This is perfectly normal and your website will be live soon. With these simple steps, your domain should now be successfully connected or purchased and linked to your Wix site. This will make it easy for people to find and visit your corner of the web. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made setting up your domain a smooth and easy part of creating your online presence.